Good evening, ma'am, sir. This is my reporting about the basic nomenclature for initial stability of the ship, GM, or metacentric height. This is the gap between two critical points, the center of the gravity where the ship's total weight pulls downward, and the metacenter, a reference point for buoyancy when tilted. It's the primary measure of how stable the ship is at small angles of tilt. Kg, or center of gravity, height, measures how high the ship's overall weight is concentrated, starting from the very bottom of the hull, the keel. A higher kg means more weight is elevated, which can reduce stability. Km, or metacenter height, measures the height of the metacenter from the keel. This depends on how the ship's hull shape and how water is displaced when tilted. Kb, center of buoyancy, height, the height of the point where water pushes upward on the ship. The center of the displaced water volume from the keel is receive rating lever. When the ship tilts, this horizontal distance between the downward pull of weight and upward push of buoyancy creates a correcting force that tries to bring the ship back upright. B. Center of buoyancy, the single point where the total upward buoyant force acts on the ship. M. Metacenter, the fixed point where vertical lines through the center of buoyancy intersect, where the ship is upright or slightly tilted. G. Center of gravity, the single point where the total downward weight of the ship acts. Angle of feel, the degree to which the ship is tilted sideways from its upright position. Explanation about GM. The metacentric height, GM, directly tells us about the ship's initial stability, how it behaves at small tilts. A larger GM means the ship is more resistant to tipping and will quickly return to upright. A very low or negative GM means the ship is unstable and could capsize it easily. Initial stability. This refers to how well the ship resists small, sudden changes in tail. It works by balancing the vertical forces on each side of the hull. When one side dips slightly, buoyancy and weight adjust to pull the ship back to even. Stability of a ship. In simple terms, stability is the ship's instinct to go back to its upright position after something pull is more weak, it may stay tilted deeper. Factors affecting hull shape. Wider hulls usually create a higher metacenter or km, boosting stability. Narrow or irregular shapes can reduce its draft. How deep the ship sits in water changes, where the center of buoyancy, or B, is which affects km and gm. Trim. The ship's front to back tilt, bow or stern up, alters how weight and buoyancy are distributed, which can impact side-to-side stability. The diagram ties this together visually. Kg shows how high weight is, km shows how high the metacenter is, and gm is the space between them. The smaller that space, the less stable the ship. That's all.